Now that you know how to make a great brand name, I'm gonna show you how to buy your domain in the correct place. So the best place to buy your domain name is Shopify for me. I love to buy my domain name on Shopify. They include an option that allows you to personalize your email sub-handle for your brand. So basically what this means is you're not stuck using an @gmail.com for your brand and when you send out emails through apps like Klaviyo or any other email platforms. And basically what you can do is just go to shopify.com/domains and I'll show you right now. Once you find your domain name, you're gonna just type it in right here and then you're gonna see if it's available, and once it's available, you're gonna buy it. Currently, Shopify makes you sign up with a plan when you buy that domain name. So my advice is to complete your logo first before purchasing the domain. This is gonna save you from wasting time on your free trial because once you buy that domain, you're gonna have to start a Shopify plan. So it's okay to go on to the next video and maybe come back to this one later on once you're sure of what domain you actually want.